Today I'll be showing fuse box location. This Ford Explorer 2008. So let's get started. So first, if you want to know where's OBD port, it's right in here under the steering wheel, and the first fuse box is right underneath. It's right in here. It's right under the steering wheel. So the second one is under the hood. I'm gonna open the hood. So it's right here. To open it, you have to click this. And there you go. Those are your fuses. To put it back, you just close it. Just like that. So there you go. 2 fuse box locations and OBD port. So if you know, is there another location, let me know. Comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.